Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the WR02X12592 refrigerator defrost thermostat, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. If you're experiencing issues with your GE refrigerator not defrosting properly or the fridge section staying warm while the freezer remains cold, this defrost thermostat might be the solution you need. The WR02X12592 is a bimetal defrost thermostat designed specifically for various GE refrigerator models. Its key function is to regulate the defrost heater by opening and closing at precise temperatures, opening above 140 degrees Fahrenheit and closing below 104 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure your refrigerator defrosts efficiently and prevents overheating. This thermal cutoff protects the heater by breaking the circuit if the temperature gets too high, acting as a failsafe to avoid damage. One of the major advantages of this thermostat is its compatibility with a wide range of GE refrigerator models, including popular series like DFSF9FBAB, GFSF6KEXAB, and GFSL6KEXELS, among others. It also replaces several OEM part numbers such as AP4345247 and EA2322735, making it a versatile and reliable replacement part. The unit comes with yellow and blue connectors for easy installation. On the downside, this thermostat is a component of last resort in the defrost system. If it fails, the defrost heater will stop working entirely, meaning you'll need to replace it promptly to restore proper function. Additionally, while installation is straightforward for those comfortable with appliance repairs, it might require professional assistance for others. In summary, the WR02X12592 refrigerator defrost thermostat is a dependable and essential part for maintaining your refrigerator's defrost cycle and overall cooling performance. If your fridge is not defrosting or the temperature is inconsistent, this replacement part is worth considering. Remember, the link to purchase this product at a discounted rate is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to get your refrigerator back to optimal condition without breaking the bank.